Greetings from my world. What's good with y'all, man? We back again, another reaction. And this time we got a new artist. We got Tizzy, Stackz, Rainstorm. This was recommended to me. Shout out to that man. If you're new, welcome aboard. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's jump right into it. Gang, gang.
Tee up, bro. Tee up, bro. See more life, more money. See what I'm saying? Mr. Stackz in the building. My slice.
Yeah.
So I gotta get rich.
Hood rock star.
My diamond chains and shit. That's on everyone's on everyone's on everyone's.
Yeah. Been till the pain gone.
See what this nigga about.
Spin till they all gone. Days in a rainstorm. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. We a couple seconds in. I ain't gonna lie. I'm already liking his voice. Pause. I'm already liking his voice, my nigga. I'm already fucking with it. Ain't gonna lie. Just that few couple seconds, I'm already fucking with it, bro. First impressions is always important, bro. I'm already fucking with it. I'm already fucking with it.
Till they all gone. Spent days in a rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spent till they all gone. Spent days in a rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone. I put the
And I like videos. Damn, this shit's short. We're already halfway through, but I like videos where the artist is with all his homies and shit. Bro, I love them type of videos because it's not too complex. It's simple, bro. Sometimes you need to keep it simple, bro. But we already have through this song. I'm already fucking with it. This nigga look and sound like a New York nigga. I'm not even lying. This nigga look and sound like a New York nigga. He sound like one of them light skinned, he sound like them Puerto Rican with braids, New York nigga. That's exactly what he sound like and look like.
Rainstorm, I ain't playing with them niggas. Pack touchdown, that's gang, little nigga. I be in my Burke, in my bag, little nigga. Try run upon me, get packed, little nigga. I can't believe it, my nigga, he gone. I can't believe it, I'm singing this song. Missing my nigga for you, I'm a ball. Fuck all the off screen, I hit them, they fall. It's the life that we chosen like gang shit. Stay no gang, no, I can't live a gang switch. Green like gang, and that red like we bang shit. Window down, hit them up, then we lane switch. And I know they gon' regret what they did to him. When the pressure come down, they gon' bend this shit. No, we started this smoke, we gon' finish it. Fuck all the off screen, I done my bro for me, so I'ma drench them niggas.
Alright, I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. The song a little short, but I'm fucking with it, dog. I'm fucking with it. He a nice little artist and shit. He a nice little artist.
Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spent till they all gone. Spent days in the rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spent till they all gone. Spent days in the
I don't know how y'all niggas be in the cold, bro. I cannot be in the cold, dog. I'm a tropical nigga. I'm from Texas. I cannot be in the cold like that. Y'all be tripping with that shit. If in Toronto, I don't know where these niggas at. I'm assuming Toronto. It'd probably be snowing over there, huh? Not me, bro. That shit. Ugh.
rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone.
But anyway, man, that's gonna be the end of this reaction. Tizzy, Stackz, Rainstorm. I fuck with them. Drop some more in the comment section. About game, we out.